Hello, and welcome back to another video. I know I haven't done a video in quite a while, but I've just been busy with a whole lot of life stuff, but that's a story for another day. So today I'm going to be trying something a little bit different. I'm going to be using full cover tips. I got these ones from Amazon, and I will link these down below in the description box. And the method that I'm going to be applying as well is slightly different. It's the dupe Apres method. Now I hope I said that right. If not, well, you're just gonna have to forgive me. So this method is a little bit different because instead of using glue to stick your nail tips on, you actually use a base coat, or in my case I just used a builder gel. So yeah, apparently it's meant to be a lot better for your nails and durable as well. So yes, I've given this a go. As you can see on the nail tips, I did roughen up the inside of the nail tip because obviously the gel needs something to adhere to. So yeah, just if you are going to try this, just don't forget to roughen up or etch up the surface of your tips as well. So as you can see, I've gone in with my prep and my dehydrator, and I think I have done 2 coats of each just to be on the safe side because yeah, like I said, I don't want to take any chances. Yeah, I just wanted to make sure that everything bonded well together, so I did 2 coats of each. There we go. And so I'm going to put a base coat on anyway, just to be on the safe side, like I said. So yeah, I'm going to apply a base coat to all of my nails. Gosh, my nails look so strange without having anything on them. I'm so used to having nails, and that when I see them this short, they just look really odd. So I'm going to have my little helper come and help me flash cure the Apres method, or the gel. My little daughter is holding my little, there we go, Sun Mini LED lamp or UV lamp, and as you can see, it comes with a cable, and we've got an instruction manual. So this is really cute and portable. I think it's 9 watts, so I'm just going to plug that in, and there is my builder gel in a bottle that I'm using. So I'm going to apply that to my nail. Just an even coat to the nail. And then I'm going to apply some to the inside of the tip as well. So the whole idea is that you need to obviously push out the air bubbles when you put your tip down onto your nail, and then you flash cure it for about 10 seconds with the mini UV lamp, and that holds it in place. There we go. So there comes my little helper with her hands. So yeah, we just flash cured that for 10 seconds, and surprisingly they actually stayed on. I thought they were going to fall off, but yeah, there you go, it stays on. So I'm going to do the rest to all of my fingers. Well, there they are. I do the rest of them all off camera. And yeah, they look quite good actually. I do like them. I wish I could wear my nails this long all the time, but I can't. So I've done the buffing and the filing. I've cut them down all off camera because that will take me forever if I had to do them on camera. And I've buffed up the surface of the tips as well. So I'm going to go in with my base coat and apply a thin layer of that on all 4 fingers. I'm going to do the thumb separately. So I'm going to do these glitter nails. I got this glitter kit from Modelones. They are really beautiful colors. Here's the box. So you get 3 little pot of glitter gels, and you get a little brush as well. You're going to see the issues I had with this brush later on in the videos. I just couldn't believe it. I was like, well, what you expect. So that one was, I think that was 003. I can't remember now. I missed the number. And I think it was a very blue color. Look at that. It looks like a mermaidy blue. Very sparkly. And we've got 002. They don't have names, unfortunately, they've just got numbers on them. And that's like a gold color. Next is 004. I can't remember what color this was when I opened it. Oh, pink. Yum. That is gorgeous. And 006. That's like a black sparkly. And 003, which is also a gold color. Right, next, and this is the last one, we've got 001. And that one was a nice lovely silver. Looks like it's got blue specks in it, but it is very silver. So here is my quick extend gel in clear that I used. I used this to just basically just strengthen up the nail tip so you don't get a lot of breaking. So I basically just apply this to all 4 fingers first, and then like I said, I'll do my thumb separately. Now, to be honest, I had no idea design wise what I was going to do before I started doing this video. I just kind of made it up as I went along. So yeah, I mean, you can see it all for yourself. I'm not going to talk so much when I'm now, because I'll just let you watch it, and yeah, let the colors speak for themselves. Right, so I'm back. As you can see, I have done all 5 nails, and now I'm going in with my favorite part, which is top coat. Like I said, I had no idea what I was going to be doing when I did this video. I just thought, meh, let's go, we'll wing it and just, you know, make it up as we go along, which is what I did. So yeah, there is the top coat, making the glitter pop even more. Absolutely love top coat. And here we go. So that is the finished look with all 5 fingers done. What do you think, guys? Did you love the sparkle? Because I know I certainly did. I think I'm like one of those birds that's just attracted to shiny, sparkly things. So yeah, let me know in the comments down below what you thought. And if you're new here, please consider subscribing and liking this video. And I will see you very, very soon in another video, hopefully later on this week. Have a good day, guys. Bye.